Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, CANON Pixma MegaTank G3470, and now I'm gonna show you how to exit from transport mode on this device. Firstly, you should press on the power button. Afterwards, just open maintenance, scroll down, click transport mode, and if you have no option here of exiting or from transport mode, so just don't do any doings, okay? So do nothing in this situation. But if you have, so you just should choose power mode disable, or so on or off, so click off, okay? So in my case it's just a normal when I have no here option to exit from the transport mode, and my printer now is ready to print. But on different models and on different firmware or something, you should open this menu and exit from the transport mode. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.